Sis, stop spending an arm and a leg on these makeup products. You gotta save up for college, save up for your future, pay for your house. Girl, let me put you on tea. What's up, you guys? This is your girl Coco Barbz back at it again with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, queen, welcome. On this channel, we tackle all things beauty, and in today's video, we are learning how to do this affordable drugstore makeup routine. If you are having trouble finding products that are really good quality and affordable, I got you. If you are having trouble looking for products that will last you all day, I got you. I put you on all the tips and tricks on how to get this look and make it last. Okay, that is the key. So if you want to learn how to do this look, keep on watching this video. Let's get into it, y'all. Alright, so now that I'm done with my eyebrows for now, I'm gonna go in with my favorite spray, the Badescu skincare rose water spray. So now, after spraying my face, I'm gonna go in with this Master Prime Hydrating Smooth Primer by Maybelline. Today I'm using two primers. If you have oily skin, you only get really oily when your face is not properly moisturized. So when it's lacking moisture, that's when you get oily. So I use a hydrating primer. Today I am using the e.l.f. Matte Putty primer. I've heard some good things about it, so I wanted to try it myself. I'm gonna see how this is. It's very creamy, and I'm just putting this in my T-zone because that's where I get oily the most. Okay, so it's a little white, but I feel like once I put my makeup on, I'll be fine. So then I'm gonna go in with my Milani translucent powder, medium to deep. I like to put this on my face to set the primer. When you have oily skin and you put powder on before like your foundation and everything, it just adds longevity to your makeup look. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Super Stay in shade 360. Before I blend my foundation out, I always spray my brush with my matte setting spray by e.l.f. I spray the foundation brush and then I blend it out, kind of like push it into the skin. I feel that like one product cannot make your makeup look last long. It's how you put the products on and the technique that you use when you're applying these products. And I just love how that's looking. Y'all, that primer is really good. This Super Stay foundation is giving me life. It claims that it gives a seamless matte finish. It's breathable. It doesn't clog pores. Wow. 24-hour wear. I don't think any makeup lasts 24 hours, but it's a full coverage foundation. I love it so far. I might have to put my NARS foundation down, okay, and use this more affordable foundation. Y'all definitely have to get the Super Stay foundation. I love the consistency. The formula is just amazing. I feel like anybody can use it even if you don't like full coverage. If you apply this foundation with a brush, you don't have to use a lot at all. So for the girl that doesn't really like that full coverage look, just apply a little tiny bit and apply it with this brush. I love this brush. It's so affordable. It's by Wet n Wild. It's very soft. It blends your foundation in really well. This paired with a beauty blender, amazing. It's amazing, okay? I'm telling y'all, get this brush. You can get it at Walgreens, Walmart. No, I don't think Walmart has it, but Walgreens definitely has it, and Target may have it too. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with that same dark concealer by Loreal, the Infallible concealer, and this is in shade Honey. Like I said, all the products are going to be linked down below, and I like to go with the darker shade first. I mean, this is a lighter shade, lighter than my foundation. I always like to use two concealers underneath my eyes just to give my makeup look some dimension. That's what I'm into now, like dimension, skin breathable products. Again, spraying my beauty blender with my matte setting spray. This is a good technique to use because you may not have matte products all the time, but if you mix in your matte setting spray, child, you're basically customizing that product to fit your need. You know what I'm saying? So I always like spraying my beauty blender, and look at that finish. Gorge. Okay, now you can stop here, but I'm gonna lighten my under eyes a little bit more by using the lightest shade of the Infallible concealer in Almond. I just like to place this right in the inner corner right here, just to bring more light. Okay, I love a light under eye, child. You put your lashes on, it just gives you a look like, and I'm basically concentrating most of that in that same area, kind of like blending it out. I feel like I do my makeup a lot better when I'm literally taking my time. My 45-minute makeup look does not compare to my 2-hour-minute makeup look. Like, everything is literally perfect when I take my time. So now I'm gonna go in with the face powder. It's by Maybelline. It's a matte poreless face powder. It's like a pressed powder, but it's my foundation shade. It just helps blend everything together, okay? It helps with not getting that flashback look, especially after applying that lighter shade. You don't want any flashbacks, so if you go in with the face powder, it kind of marries everything together. Y'all, I was on a call with my girl Court, and she put me on right before this video. I had to run to Walgreens and get this powder because, child, she was raving about this powder. So I was like, I'm gonna try it. Shout out to my girl Court. I love when people put me on to good products so I can put y'all on, okay? Period. I must say I like this product because it comes with a mirror, y'all. Come on, this product was what, $8? $8. They give you a mirror, y'all, and the mirror is really nice. It also comes with the sponge too. Y'all, I literally be beating my face. Literally. So now I'm going in with my Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in medium deep. And I'm using that as my highlighting powder. Yes to the powder. So I'm going in with my True Complexion contour palette, and y'all, I hit pan because I use this every day, period. And then I'm gonna go in with the sculpting shade, and this is the dark to deep palette. So most people start from their sideburn and go down, but I go kind of a little bit higher and I blend that down. And I've just found that this gives my face like the shape that I want it. I'm also gonna do like a light cutting of the contour shade with my face powder. Okay, so we did the powders. What's next? We're gonna just use this contour palette to do this brown smoky look. I just want to show y'all that you can achieve this brown smoked out look with this palette, period. Like, this palette, you need. It's a must-have. Like, there's certain products that people use in videos that you can live without, but this product is not one of those. You need this palette, especially if you're a makeup artist. Child, I feel like if you're a makeup artist, you should just know that off bat. But if you didn't know, sis, get this palette. You can get it from Walmart for $8. Using a light concealer just so the browns can be very vibrant. I feel like the quality of these drugstore products are superb, okay, compared to back in the day. All right, I feel like these products, if you save up a little money, save up $50 to $60, sis. Like, just save up and get these products and you can achieve a high quality look, okay? And then I'm gonna go in with the sculpting shade. I'm gonna just blend that in. I'm using a fluffy brush to kind of give it that blown out look. This is the perfect look to go anywhere, really. Your man's house, a party, girls' night. I'm going in circular motions and moving really fast so it can have that blown out look. That's important. And I'm building the product below here. I'm just using this shade and then blend it up. Literally, adding more product to the brush, building it up from here, and then blending up. And you get that like blown out. You see that? That blown out look. And I'm literally moving fast. My eyelid is like lifting up. Ugh. But I like to like go into the eyebrow a little bit. Yeah, I feel like that is good enough. If you want to go a tad bit darker, ooh, I'm scared to mess this up. Okay, if you want to go a tad bit darker, sis, go into the contour shade from the dark to deep palette. I literally went in once, and then I'm like going up and blending that out. And I'm using the same brush, y'all. Same brush. Just flicking the product up, blending in big circles. The secret to this look is really the blending. Like, I've been blending for what now? 5 minutes? I've been blending for 5 minutes now. Only used 2 shades, but I feel like the blending really matters. It's not hard. You have to just sit here and blend, okay? Sis, look at this. And it helps that your eyebrows are on fleeky fleek. Sis, this is a look. And y'all, this look is perfect for the fall. Alright, you guys, this is all to the look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'ma just say, if you don't get anything in this video, you must get the Face Fit Me press powder, okay, by Maybelline, the contour palette by Blue Radiance, the Badescu spray, and the Super Stay foundation by Maybelline. I would say those products are must-haves, and they're affordable, under $20. Under $20, sis. Come on, get your life. I'm telling you, get your life, okay? But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what products you would get and what products you wouldn't. Let me know what you want to see next. And that's about it to this video. Oh, if y'all want to see how I got this ponytail, definitely check out my video on how to get a slick back ponytail. I'll link it above. And that's about it, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. And oh, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow me on all platforms at the Coco Barbz. And that's it to the video, y'all. Y'all don't forget to stay blessed, be encouraged, and always be aggressive with your waves. See you in the next video. Bye. Coco Barbz back at. Wait 1 second, y'all. Because, I mean, I just got here and the music is mad loud. Literally. Foundation in shade 360. 360. Oh!